Welcome to the Open Education resource on maps and scales. This is the fifth video in the series on maps and scales. So far, we have discussed what is scale, methods of representing scales, and conversion of scales. Now, in the remaining videos, our focus is on types and construction of graphical scales. We have already discussed important features of graphical construction. Three types of graphical scales are plane scales, time and distance scale, and a diagonal scale. In this video, we discuss plane scales. We have seen that in all the types of maps, generally, graphical scale is depicted at the bottom of the map. In this, a straight line is drawn as per the calculations. It is divided into number of equal parts. These equal parts represent actual ground distances along with units of measurements. It is to be remembered that map distance is never written in the graphical representation. To show a map distance, a line is drawn. Only ground distances are depicted below the divided parts. So now, what are the important considerations while drawing a plane scale or any type of scales? The first is about the length of line. Generally, it is drawn 10 to 15 cm while showing metric system units and 6 to 7 inches for British system units. Except a few cases, equal divisions are generally in the multiple of 2, 5, 10, 50, 100, etc. Any type of scale should be initially divided into primary divisions as shown in the given diagram. If there are two units to show, for example, kilometer and meter or miles and furlong, then the bigger unit kilometer or miles show at the primary level and smaller unit of the same system to be shown at the level of secondary divisions. The first primary division is always 0 as shown in the diagram. Left side of 0 are secondary divisions. As per the need at primary and secondary level, line is to be divided into 4 to 7 divisions. For example, in the given diagram, the scale has been divided into 5 primary divisions, while the secondary divisions are divided into 4 parts. Even number of line can be drawn easily with the help of a ruler. For example, in the given diagram, 5 parts were divided by using ruler 2 cm each. Thus, when as per the calculation, length of line is even number, parts can be marked by using a ruler. When the length of line is odd number or in decimal points, the following method is to be divide line into equal parts. One needs to follow 3 steps while dividing line into equal divisions. As per the calculations, suppose length of line is odd, say 11.98 cm. Draw a line as per the step 1. Now, as per the step 2, take same angle both sides of the line. Angle should not be more than 20, 25 or 30 degree. Now, take any small distance in your compass or divider and mark required number of divisions, say 5 on both the lines. Then join these parts parallel to each other as shown in step 3. Thus, main line AB, which happens to be odd, has been divided into 5 equal divisions at intersections. Apply the same procedure for secondary divisions by drawing 90-degree angle both sides of the first primary division, left side of 0, to obtain equal parts as shown in the diagram. Further, broaden the main line, give alternate shading to each part to increase visibility as shown in the diagram. Now we discuss example and construction of plane scales when the length of line is odd number. The given example is the scale of the map is 1 cm to 2 km. Draw a plane scale to read miles and show distance of 13 miles. In this example, scale is 1 cm to 2 km. Now convert it in RF. It will be 1:2 lakhs. Now plane scale is to be drawn showing miles. So take up RF into inches, that is 1:2 lakh inches. 1 mile is equal to 63360 inches. So divide by 63360. Answer will be 3.16 miles, that is 1 inch to 3.16 miles. Decide length of line as 6 inches. Then calculate ground distance in miles for 6 inches. So 6 inches multiplied by 3.16 miles. Answer is 18.96 miles. This is an odd number. One cannot divide it into equal divisions. For showing in the scale, we need round values. So take up a closer round figure, say 20 miles. Then calculate length of line for 20 miles by cross multiplication. It comes to 6.33 inches. Now divide 6.33 inches line into 4 divisions showing 5 miles each as shown in the diagram. Adopt the same procedure which was explained earlier to divide odd number line into even 4 primary divisions by taking equal angle both sides of a main line. Use the same procedure for dividing secondary divisions left side of 0 as shown in the diagram. 5 divisions showing 1 mile each are needed at the secondary level. Refer the given diagram. Now show 13 miles, that is 10 miles at the primary side and 3 miles at the secondary level as depicted in the diagram. Detailed step-by-step calculations and the construction procedure is on your screen. Take a pause, follow the procedure and construct a plane scale on the drawing sheets. Now we discuss a plane scale when the length of line is even. It is much simpler as shown in the diagram. Take a pause, follow step-by-step calculations and construct a scale as per the given diagram. In this diagram, length of line at the secondary division level is 2 cm and it is to be divided into 5 divisions. Now, it cannot be drawn easily with the help of a ruler. Hence, divide secondary divisions by taking 90-degree angle at both the points of the secondary divisions and you get parts at the secondary level. Now show the distance 5 km and 6 hectometer. 5 km at the primary level and 6 hectometer at the secondary level. Give alternate shading. Now pause the video. 5 practice examples have been provided. Calculate each example step by step. Compare your answers with the solved examples given in the next slide. Draw plane scale as per the instructions given. This is all about plane scales. Thank you.